Good morning, crafting friends. It's Sunday, October 13th, and I thought I would just take you along this morning and do a page in my journal, my little journal. This is my second personal one. I've been doing some fabric scraps with a vintage theme. I have a little bit of paper, here's some paper, here's some cut papers, here's some fabric. So I thought I might use those today in my journal. There's a red-tailed hawk that we now have in our neighborhood, so I might have to stop and be quiet here while he passes overhead. I put my lace curtain down because this is that time of day where we get direct sunlight from about 11:30 to 12:30. So I just put that down. So I have this page, and I don't want to skip over it. I've got a couple here. It's really nice, thick paper. It's from this it's from this teacher's book that I had when I was teaching, and I didn't want to throw it away, so I'm going to put this I've been stamping on. And if you look down here, it kind of looks like the Grand Canyon on a cloudy day. You can just imagine the Colorado River going through there. So I'm going to use this for my journal today. Okay, so I've got that glued in. Now I'm just going to do a quick write. I'll probably talk about the hawk and the birds and, my typical morning observations. So I'll go ahead and do that. Okay, so I finished, at least some of my writing entry today. I haven't done a lot. It's only noon. Sometimes I'll do this much and then I'll come back in the afternoon. But I did want to put a few items on here. I don't want to cover up my Grand Canyon though, so I'm going to have to think about that. Yeah, so I just added a couple things over here on this page that I'm not going to write on. And I'm at the point now, I love to put the fabric between the pages like that. First of all, it really holds, like it'll hold this side down, and it adds just a little bit of texture and mood, and so that's what I did. And I'm going to leave the rest of this. I don't want to go, I don't want to go below that because I don't want to ruin my looks like the Grand Canyon. So that's my entry for today. I'm going to have to do something here on this side, and then I've got this map here, so I'm going to have to find something there, and then I get back to my I think this is coffee dyed paper. So I may just take a couple sheets of this and tea stain it, and then put one here, and one here, and one here. So that's the plan for now. So thanks for stopping by and joining me. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below and I'll get back to you. Bye for now.